Now we would create a table of courses. So let me discuss the attributes of this table. First of all, we would have the course ID, which is in int, and it is set to not null, and it is also set to auto increment. And there would be a course code which would be in varchar, and the value is set to not null, and the course code must be unique, and there must be a course title, and it would also be in varchar with maximum length of 200, and it would be set to not null. And credit hours, many this must be int, and maximum value course can have 3 1 is equal to 4, and for the save point I have set it to 2, and it must be not null as well. So department ID must be in int, and uh, the semester should be in varchar. You are studying in second semester, and description must be in text, and primary key would be the course ID, and foreign key the department ID, and reference to table departments. So now I would just copy this and paste that into PHP my admin, and let me click on this SQL and paste it. Let me reread, and yes, it does not contain any error, so I would just proceed towards creating it, and it has created the table of courses. So all of the attributes, the course ID, course code, course title, credit hours, department ID, semester, and description, which is in the text, and these are the null values. No, 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 yes, yes, yes. So default is none, and auto increment is set to the course ID. So now I would create an other table of the enrollments. Just wait for next video.